Yes, Andrew. Can you tell us a story about issues of water supply, policies, and financing in Ghana? Your names and then your...
Yeah, as far as I know, my name is Dr. Andrexis Nkansha. I work for CRS Ghana on a project called Global Water Initiative, which is a consortium of CRS Care, and with a local partner also we cooperate. My experience with water supply system in Ghana is that we have a system where, starting from the rural area, it's a community-based management system, and then the small town also management system. And these so far has worked quite well, but the urban areas, the supply system has not been very good. For instance, in Accra, the government was managing it at first, and the supply system wasn't that good. So the private sector came in, and it also, in my view, got even worse. So the government has claimed it back. So the supply system in the urban area hasn't been very good. But I think that we should also, in the urban areas, manage it based on the community. It should be community managed or municipal managed based system. I think that one will be more responsive to the needs of the people, rather than centralized management system where if somebody has got a complaint, it's even very difficult to reach the office and complain. So basically, that is what I see about Ghana. Unless you ask me questions specifically, so that I can give
about the financing.
Yeah. Usually, if we look at the rural areas, NGOs have been playing the dominant role in providing the infrastructure, but then the maintenance. Now, the new idea is that when the infrastructure is provided, the community should mobilize funds themselves to maintain and manage. So that is what is happening now. But the government also has a policy whereby communities contribute something small as a means of getting them to own the project. So basically, government does the bulk infrastructure, and the community just pays some amount, a small amount of money to give them that kind of sense of ownership. But the maintenance is still rests on the community. The maintenance and management still rests on the community. But then the bulk infrastructure is provided by the government in the rural areas. It also applies to the urban, the small town areas as well. The government provides the bulk infrastructure, and the community then manage the system.